Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2019 Module 1 End of Module Project 2. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File preparation. Open the provided Excel file and save it with _2 at the end of the file name. Ensure your name is displayed in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. If not, re-download the file. Step 2. Autofill sales data. In the life insurance sales worksheet, use autofill to extend the values in cell B6 into C6, D6. Step 3. Calculate total sales. In cell E7, enter equals sum, B7, D7, to calculate total sales for term life insurance. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down to E8, E12 to calculate total sales for other insurance types. Step 4. Calculate commissions. In cell F7, enter equals E7 $F$4 to calculate the 40% commission. Drag the formula down from F8, F12 using the fill handle. Step 5. Quarter 1 statistics. Average sales, in cell B16, enter equals average, B7, D12, to calculate the average monthly sales. Maximum sales, in cell B17, enter equals max, B7, D12, to find the highest sales. Minimum sales, in cell B18, enter equals min, B7, D12, to find the lowest sales. Step 6. Identify top policy. Copy cell A7, term policy, and paste only the value into cell C17. Step 7. Move a formula. Cut the formula in cell F14 and paste it into cell B19. Ensure the formatting remains intact. Step 8. Page setup. Change the worksheet orientation to portrait. Insert a page break above row 20 to fit the content on one page. Step 9. Save and submit. Verify the worksheet matches the final figure provided in the instructions. Save, close, and submit the file as instructed. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.